In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Before Launcher. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so Before Launcher basically replaces your default Android home screen with a simple text-based layout that focuses on intention instead of endless scrolling. Now, some of the key features of it is you got text-only home screen, so no colorful icons or widgets, limits distractions by hiding app icons, and it basically encourages mindful app usage with also daily intention settings, which is optional, and optional app usage reminders with lightweight and battery friendly. So basically, instead of opening apps automatically out of habit, you're prompted to pause and think before opening them, hence the name Before Launcher. Okay, so what we first need to do is go to an app or Play Store, search for Before Launcher. Here it is here. And then we want to go ahead and download and install it. Now from here, we need to go ahead and click on open for the first time. So it's going to give an introduction. So click on get started. Now you can see here, make before your default. So we can set this. So set before home launcher as your default home app. So we can click onto that and set as default. So that's key. Now we can go ahead and personalize your home screen here. So we can long press to personalize home screen. So if I long press, we can personalize this, so we can choose home screen apps, reorder if we want. Go ahead and reorder if you want to do that, so we can reorder your apps. So this is basically what your home screen is going to look like when you open up your phone. So you can see there's less clutter, no apps, no distractions, just go straight to the point. Now, if you want to go ahead and change the home screen layout, what we can do is click and hold down which one. So if you don't want Chrome on it, we can click and hold it down. And then from here, we can click on change home screen apps. So click onto home screen apps, and then we can scroll down. So say if I don't want Chrome and I want, say, Firefox, I'll scroll down and click on Firefox or a different web browser. And we can do the same for all of these too. So I can go ahead and click onto that. Say for example, I want to put on the AFL app instead. I'll click done, and then I'll come back here, and then you'll see here AFL has now been put on that home screen. So yeah, if we click and hold down again, we can uninstall apps here as well, get app info. We can reorder the home screen app. So if I click onto that, I can go ahead and reorder them by clicking and dragging them along here. So you put your most important apps. So if you're someone that makes a lot of phone calls, that's obviously going to be number one, messages, and then probably your emails next, and Google Maps, and you can just order it basically like that as well, and then click on the cross icon. So yeah, basically it's a simple app to use, but it's a very good idea if you want less clutter on your home screen and you just want apps that's going to help your productivity.